This is a 4-mark question asking you to explain the likely effect of a change in the unemployment rate on Portugal's budget deficit. And it told you in the earlier part of the question that the unemployment rate has gone down. So that means that out of all of the workforce, the percentage who are willing and able to work, who have got a job, because remember that the workforce is people willing and able to work, the percentage of those who have a job has gone up. So therefore, the percentage who haven't got a job has gone down. So the unemployment rate has gone down. And they want to know, how will this affect the budget deficit? Remember that the budget is all about government spending, and it's also about taxation. So the budget is about how much money comes into the government and how much they choose to spend and what they're spending that on. If you have a deficit, that means that your government spending is greater than the tax revenue that you're collecting in. That's just the basis of the theory behind the question. To get your 4 marks, the way it's structured, you're getting 2 marks for knowledge, 1 mark for analysis, and 1 mark for application. You need to start off by saying what a budget deficit is. So giving a definition and saying that when the economy has a budget deficit, that means that their government spending is greater than their tax revenue. And then the next point is to say if the unemployment rate goes down, what this will mean is that more people have now got a job, so therefore incomes go up, and importantly, consumption is going to go up. And the way that you're going to relate this to what happens to the budget deficit is if consumption goes up and incomes go up. If incomes go up, we're going to have an increase in income tax being paid. So income tax receipts, or money received by the government for income tax, is going to go up. And also when people are shopping more, value added tax receipts, money received from value added tax on goods and services, will go up. Also for firms, because people are spending more money, it's likely that corporation tax revenue, because remember that corporation tax is paid on profits, that will go up. All of these things are going to cause tax revenue to go up. And the other part of the jigsaw is that if less people are unemployed, because the unemployment rate has gone down, we're also going to have less spent by government on unemployment benefits. So in the UK, job seekers allowance. So this is the other thing. So if tax revenue is going up and the government is spending less on unemployment benefits, if everything else stays the same, that's going to mean that the budget deficit will decrease. Now, you only have 4 minutes, so you won't have time to explain all of this in so much detail, but the main points that you need to get in are to give the definition of the budget deficit and then explain that when the unemployment rate goes down, more people have an income and consumption goes up, and therefore tax receipts will go up, and this will overall cause the budget deficit to decrease. In addition, because the government will be spending less on unemployment benefits.